Hi, today I'm Fred of REALME 10 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to connection and sharing. Here you'll see NFC section, just tap here once, and to turn on and turn off the NFC we should click here on this swatcher. Also we get one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that somewhere here on the panel you should find the NFC option. Just click once on this icon to activate NFC and to turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.